everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbi Sahni. Hope you are doing great. Now today I come forward with another clinical question with explanation because this will help you to solve the clinical question not only in NEET MDS examination but also in the AIIMS SRship as well as the JRship jobs, and moreover in the INSET exam and the other government dental exams also. So without wasting time, let's see the question on your screen. See, a patient presented with the multiple lytic bone lesions. Serum chemistry reveals the raised serum alkaline phosphatase and calcium. What would be the diagnosis? See, there are few words which are very important which you need to know while reading the question, that what are the important keywords from which you can reach to the right answer, right? So here the first one is multiple lytic bone lesions are there, and there is the serum, raised serum level, second point, and the third one is the raised calcium and alkaline phosphatase. So let's see the options on your screen. The first option is CGCG, that is the central giant cell lesion. The second one is the hyperphosphatasia, and third option is the hyperparathyroidism, and fourth option is none of the above. So what do you think, what will be the right answer for this question? The first option is the CGCG. In the CGCG, it is the fact that the serum calcium level are normal. But in this question, the main point is that they are increased. So this option is out, right? Last option was none of the above. That is not possible. So that option is also out. Now we are left with the hyperphosphatasia or hyperparathyroidism. That means the B option or the C option. Left with these two options, that is the option B and option C. So in case of the option B, the osteolytic lesions are not seen. But in this question, it is mentioned that the osteolytic lesions are seen. So the option B is also out. Now we are left with the correct answer, that is the option C, hyperparathyroidism, because all of the feature are of the hyperparathyroidism. In that, the hypophosphatasia is also there, the serum levels are increased, right? If we see the proper in detail, so it is mentioned that in hypoparathyroidism, it is characterized by hypocalcemia, hypophosphatasia, and there is the presence of the osteolytic bodies are seen, followed by the raised serum parathyroid level is also there, right? So the correct answer is hyperparathyroidism, option C. So that's all about the today's clinical question, and the important topic come from this topic is the hyperparathyroidism as well as CGCG. So these are the two main topics which come out from this question as a very important topic for INSET as well as for the NEET MDS preparation. All the very best for your preparation. If you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you for watching.